Hello, guys. Welcome back with me, Chow Chow 2025.
Today we're going to learn how to create face model for Reactor using ComfyOE. If you want to know how to install Reactor, refer to the video description. To create face model, you need to load image. In this example, I use load image from folder, a custom node from KJ. You could use whatever node you want as long as its output is image. Make sure the image only has one face. I connect it to save face model node from Reactor to create the image. Make sure you name your model in face model name. Now you simply need to click QPrompt to execute it. The face model will be saved in ComfyOE/models/Reactor/face. To use the model, simply use load image for input images. You can let source image empty and use load face model as source images. Select the face model. If your face model not shown, try click refresh. Now click QPrompt and the image input face will be changed. Anyway guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and comment. See you again on the next episode. And have a nice day. Please subscribe.